Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I want to wish all your fathers out there a happy Father's Day tomorrow. Have a great day with your family. Next, what's coming up after Father's Day, starting on the 21st, is the Amazon Prime Days. It's the 21st and 22nd. And there's two things. One is, if you're a Prime member of Amazon, you get some special discounts. I mean, heavy discounts on those 2 days. If you're not a Prime member, there's still other sellers that will be heavily discounting their products. And I just did a show showing you some discounts that Rectivus is going to do this coming week, not just those 2 days, but a couple of days this week, and they've already started. Lastly, I want to thank everybody for their support to my shows. I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for Patreon donations. I only ask that you use my Amazon store. There's no additional cost. You go to my Amazon store, and then you're at Amazon, and then while you're there, you can buy anything, not just stuff in my store. Let me show you. Below each of my videos is a link right here to my store. So you click on that link, and it takes you to my Amazon store. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon stores, it's something that anybody can set up. And you just set up a web page on Amazon and put things that you think your subscribers would be interested in. In my case, it's radios, shortwave radios, speakers, books about listening to shortwave, antennas, all kinds of stuff, test equipment, stuff like that. So you take that link, you go to the store, can go through my store, see if anything that's interested. Maybe I just did a review on a product, and it's in my store, like I just mentioned in the previous show, this radio right here. And you click on the picture, it takes you to that item, and you're at the Amazon store. So you're dealing now directly with Amazon. The only difference is you took the link, my link, to my Amazon store, and now if you purchase something either from my store or from anything in Amazon, I get a small commission. Like, it's about 5%. And then I get it in the form of a credit, and then I use those credits exclusively to buy things to review on my show. So, like for instance, I just clicked on this item, went there, maybe I decide I don't want that, but I can go elsewhere. I can come up here and do a search on birdseed. And there's birdseed. And if I buy birdseed, after I've taken the link to my Amazon store, or if you do that, I should say, then I get a small commission. Now, once you leave, then that's all reset, and if you go directly to Amazon, I don't get any commission. And I've got a lot of people this past year have taken the time to do this. I get the small commission, like 5%, and then, as I said, I use it exclusively to buy things to review on my show. So I want to thank all those people that have taken the time to use that link and buy things. And when I look, I don't have any idea who bought what. I do see what was purchased. And I see a lot of things like birdseed that are purchased through that link of mine, and I want to thank you for doing that. So that's it. Have a great Father's Day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.